Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can auto sync your videos to the music and sounds on TikTok. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. If I go to make a new post, the very important thing here is that we want to make sure that we choose from our previously recorded footage. Okay, as of right now, at the time of making this video, if you use the built-in record function in the TikTok app, you will not be able to auto sync the audio. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose from some previously recorded footage. I'll go ahead and just select 3 of them here, and then we can hit next. All right, and we notice that the default now is to already have it on sound sync. Okay, the old way is this default way over here, but sound sync means that whenever I choose a new sound, it's going to sync the sound. Notice that it says syncing sounds, right? So now this causes the footage to transition on beat with the selected audio. We can still make some adjustments here though. If we tap on adjust clip, couple different things we can do. One of the things we can do is actually just tap on one of our videos and we can kind of choose, we can slide and choose what part of that video we want to have featured. Another thing that we can do is we can long hold and then change the order. All right, and notice that it already said auto syncing there, or syncing the sound there. And let's say that you're in the middle of editing some footage here and you say, oh man, I forgot one of my other clips. Well, we can go ahead and hit the add button. We can choose another clip here, confirm, and then it says syncing sound. Okay, so it's already going to be synced, but just in case you ever just want that extra confidence that everything is completely synced, you can go ahead and hit auto sync. It's going to go up to 100%, and now for sure your footage will transition on beat with the audio or the music in the TikTok app. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.